Hi, this is Johnny. I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plug. I got this one a year ago on Home Depot, and this is the brand, and by K-O-H-L-E-R. So let me bring it up here. Okay, and it won't start. And part of it, the reason I think it started the problem was that this cover, see, when I bought it, is kind of a little bit defective, and that cover came off. And so let me show you. So this thing came off, and I bought a new one as well. The old one is real dirty. This cover won't close very well, so it came open, and this filter flying out without me knowing it. So all the dust and dirt got into it, and now a week later I wanted to try to start it, and won't start. It will start and then it will shut down by itself. So I did some research and do some Google search, YouTube video, and check out other people's stuff, and this is my first time doing this as well. So I'm going to show you how to replace this. Now, all the stuff that you purchase probably will cost as much as if you take it to Home Depot and have them do it fixed. But the problem is, I always throw away my lawnmower. I throw away all my stuff that doesn't work, and I didn't try to fix it, because now this one is $350. Now I cannot just throw that away. So I decided to go ahead and took the time to learn how to fix this, because, you know, if you're gonna cut grass, you might as well learn how to fix it. It's like if you're gonna drive a car, you need to learn how to fix it, you know. But I haven't got that far fixing my own car. But so what you want to do is unplug this. You have to wiggle it. Okay. So take that out. All right. So let me zoom in more. You can see exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, take that out. Then you're gonna see which one fits the best. Okay. So this one does not. It's too big. So try this side. Okay, that one seems to be good. Okay. So you got all these different size. I can't find this on Home Depot. I wanna have to go get it from Amazon. And I'll give you the link where to get this, okay? Because I saw one Home Depot where this thing is like this, but it's permanent, how you say that, soldered together. So I couldn't, it was too short for me to push it in. So this is the best one, best option that I could find. So you put this in here, and then you turn counterclockwise. Now last time when I did it, I cut myself. So I'm gonna show you. So just once you unlock it, you could just turn it. Okay. You can it's hand tight. So you unscrew this and you take the spark plug out. Now this one is the new one. I just put it in. Okay. And this is the new one that I just put in, but you can see it's already have dirt on it. So I'll show you the one that is the bad one. This is the one I got for this particular model. I found this on the Home Depot's shelf. Okay, so for this brand, you use this one because it's the exact one that for this one. So if you're wondering what part number to get, here's the information, here's the description. Okay. And that is for this particular model. Now this one that came out of from there is pretty bad. It looked pretty dirty. I mean, you probably could, we built this by cleaning it using the, you know, like cleaning this and then scrub using the metal scrubber, and then it could be clean and reuse. Okay. So, and then you have to measure using one of those coins to measure the spark plug. See if this thing is too close or not. You have to push it up higher if it's too close. And so it looked like it's okay to fix it and able to clean it and able to reuse it. Okay, but since I already bought one, I went and put that in. Okay, so let's see if this is exactly the same model. Make sure. Yeah, 13211. Okay, so it's the exact same thing. All right, so this one's a new one, so I'm gonna put this back in, and you put it back in this way. Okay, so this is the old one. All right, so I'm gonna put this back into the hole. I bought this. This is for cleaning the cleaning copper choke part cleaner. So it's good to get one of this. You know, it helps you clean it. Then you just put this in here. Screw it with your hand. Just keep on turning it. As you can see, I'm just holding this. Keep on turning it. And to a point you can't turn no more. Okay, then you're gonna put this back in here. All right, and then just tighten it a little bit, you know. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then just put this back. That's it. All right, so that's how you change the, push that back in. So that's how you change the spark plug. Okay, and so later I will, you know, try to clean this up using the metal brush, and then just brush around to see if I could, you know, restore this, so in the future I could reuse this. Okay, so you don't want it to throw this away. You could clean it, rebuild it, and reuse it. Okay, so when it's dirty, it doesn't mean that it's trash. All right, so that's how you replace the spark plug, but it still doesn't, the system would, the Lawnmower will not start. Okay, so because there's stuff built into this piece right here, so we have to take that apart. So all right, so this video is about how to change that, and that's about it. And then later, this episode 2, I will show you how to drain the oil out of the tank. And then the third episode, I will show you how to take this out. And then the fourth episode, I will show you how to clean it and put it back. And then we could do the final test. All right, thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.